If you go to turn on your personal hotspot, but it's not working, maybe it's grayed out and you're not able to enable it and connect from another device, I'll show you all of the steps that you need to take to definitely get that fixed. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is hop into the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, toggle airplane mode on and wait for a few seconds, and then toggle it back off. Essentially, airplane mode disconnects from your mobile network and reconnects to it to see if at that point you're able to turn on personal hotspot. However, if you're not, let's scroll down from here, tap on screen time, and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. If this is turned on, it could limit your ability to share that personal hotspot data. So I would recommend turning this off. If there is a passcode, you might need that screen time passcode to disable it. The next thing we're going to do is go back to the beginning of your settings. Tap on cellular because ultimately your mobile hotspot uses your cell data. So toggle cell data off for a few seconds, and then after a few seconds, turn it back on. Next, you'll want to tap on cell data options, or it might say mobile data options, and make sure everything is turned on. So data roaming is turned on, voice and data, make sure it is set to the fastest option here, and data mode is not set to low data mode. Either set it to standard or allow more data in 5G. Now, if we've gone through these steps and your mobile hotspot is still not working or grayed out, go back to the beginning of your settings and tap on General, and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, just choose the Reset option, and we're going to reset your network settings. Essentially, these resets all of the network settings associated with your personal hotspot. Keep in mind, you will need to enter in the password again to connect to Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth, etc. So just go through this process of resetting those network settings. However, if it's still grayed out, the next thing we can do on your iPhone is hit the volume up, volume down, and the power button to force restart. So volume up, volume down, and then power button. Hold that even though it says slide to power off. You're just gonna keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear. So your iPhone will go black, and then eventually the Apple logo will appear, and at that point, release your fingers. Now, if you go through all of these steps and it's still not working, the most likely reason is because your carrier does not accept, or your plan with your carrier does not include a personal hotspot. So keep in mind, your carrier determines whether a personal hotspot is available because essentially it's using their mobile data. So you might want to just open up your iPhone here. And then after you've done that, open up a browser window, and you're going to just search to see if your carrier supports a mobile hotspot. So just search for that and make sure that is not the issue. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.